How to find time zone settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find time zone settings on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just click this one, system and updates, and here you will find date and time. Click on it and here you can manage it, here you can change it, or you can just type here date and time and click on it, and here we'll find it, this one, time zone. Just click on it and here you can change it. Just turn off this one and then just click on it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.